What number is negative 30 more than 18? More than 18. So first we have 18 because we have what? More. So we have to write plus negative 30. What number is negative 30 more than 18? More, it means we have to add. And now we have addition of two integers. One is negative, one positive. So first we check which of these two numbers is greater. We forget about negative sign. We have 30 and 18. 30 is greater. So next we check the sign before the greater number is negative. So we copy negative sign and in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So this is equal negative sign we have to copy. 30 minus 18 is 12.